Hello students, Mr. Young here. Welcome to the end of Chapter 8, and you may have noticed there's no test here. Instead, we're going on a quest. But not a Dungeons & Dragons quest. A web quest! What does this mean? Well, today you are to use any means necessary, likely the web, as it is a web quest, to answer the questions below. Please answer the questions in their entirety and with complete sentences. You can put your answers in a Word doc, you can put them in a Google Doc, or you can just use the text box. Just be sure when you submit for this assignment, please restate the question in your answer and use complete sentences. For example, question, what is Mr. Young's favorite food? The incorrect way to answer would be buffalo chicken dip, period. But the correct way would be Mr. Young's favorite food is buffalo chicken dip. Or let's take a look at the actual question one. Please name any 5 departments found within the executive branch of the U.S. federal government. You would say 5 departments found within the executive branch of the U.S. federal government would be, and then, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So please restate the question in some way in your complete sentence answer. Here's the questions with their point values. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's run over them real quick. Please name any 5 departments found within the executive branch of the U.S. federal government. It's worth 10 points. Who are the 2 senators representing Pennsylvania in the federal government? That's 4 points. Question 3. Who are the 9 current justices of the federal Supreme Court? So 1 point each for each of them. That's for a total of 9 points. How many representatives are there for the state of Pennsylvania in the U.S. House of Representatives? Easy enough question, worth only 2 points. And in the event that the president and vice president become incapable of performing their duties of their office, who were to become president? So who's third in the line of succession? We know the president dies, the vice president becomes the president. But if the vice president dies, then who becomes president? So that's a succession question. And in addition to that, I want to know who that person currently is. So who is the current number 3 in the country? That's the question. I think that pretty much covers it pretty well. This is worth a total of 30 points. So, it's like a small test worth of points. It's a lot of points. So you want to do well. You're basically scouring the web. It's a Webquest. Websites that end with .gov are probably a good place to look. Government websites, maybe like whitehouse.gov. Places like that. But that's my tip for you. 30 points is a lot of points. Let me know if you have any questions, but I found all the answers, so I think you'll all be able to handle it as well. Alright, have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy this little change of pace.